Shall we start the session?
Going forward, no, Ramesh, maybe I think when you are joining no, in Zoom, maybe I think you can request for co-host, then I think you can do the recording by yourself.
Okay.
Maybe Visalakshi is the host actually from our end. I am the co-host actually. Even I can also do the recording, but only co-host can do the recording, not normal contestants. Yeah.
Now this session should be recorded. This session.
Yeah. Recorded. Now it is recording started. Recording already started. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
And share the screen. Wait a moment. Contents. All of you will be able to see the screen.
Yes.
Sir. Okay. Good evening, all of you. So in this session, we will discuss about the JavaScript and TypeScript. After that, we will discuss about the Node.js, how to write the APIs in Node.js. Okay. So these are the contents which I will discuss. So introduction, variable declaration, data types, types of operators, methods, what are the different types of methods, and functions, arrays, control statements like if else, switch, and ternary operators, while loop, for loops, for each. So when for loop will be used and when for each will be used. Okay, what is the difference between them, and how to pass the array to the function, what is multi-dimensional array, and how to fetch the elements from multi-dimensional array. So what are the objects, methods, JSON array, and in JSON array, how to fetch the key values by using for and for each loop, exception handling, function overloading. Okay, and TypeScript. In TypeScript, so classes, inheritance, access modifiers, method overloading, overriding. After that, so these are the topics which are used to write the APIs in Node.js. Okay, so JavaScript is huge one. So I am not going to discuss about all the concepts in JavaScript. So I am going to discuss about what are the topics required to write the APIs in Node.js. So that topics only I am going to discuss. So if I discuss all the topics in JavaScript means, so we will not have that much of time. Okay. And so how to create the template in Node.js, and how to connect the MongoDB by using Node.js. So in MongoDB, so what are the how to write the APIs to insert the documents in a collection in MongoDB. So CRUD operations, I mean insert, update, delete, get. So all the CRUD operations I will discuss regarding this MongoDB, and how to write the exception, how to handle the exceptions, and routing, MySQL connections, and how to call the procedure from API. So validations. So how to put the validations in API itself. Okay, API. So after that, response. So after fetching the data from the database, so we have to give that response to the website. Okay, so in that response, so how to create the classes for responses and error messages. So here we are implementing so many validations. So for that, so how to write the error messages in a common file so that everyone make use of that error messages. Okay, and so in real-time scenario, in which case for loop will be useful and in which case for each will be useful. So last and final, filters. So in which case filter function will be used. So that thing also we will discuss. Okay. So before going to start this session, so I want to know how many of people are aware of MongoDB and MySQL. First of all, MongoDB. How many of you people are aware of MongoDB?
I'm aware.
All of you aware of MongoDB?
I'm aware.
Tell me who don't know about MongoDB.
Please
These
respond.
basic
Yeah.
queries. Huh?
Please respond to other people and
Yeah, this is Supriya. I don't have any idea on MongoDB.
Okay.
Yeah.
Satish.
Next.
Mahesh.
Next name is
Mahesh.
Mahesh.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Sir, Anjali.
Hari Priya, no?
Priyanka.
Yeah,
Priyanka.
my Satish.
Okay.
Dwi.
Lakshmi sir.
Tari
Lakshmi sir.
Lakshmi.
Pravalika sir.
Huh?
Pravalika sir.
I didn't get you.
Pravalika sir. I don't know.
Pravalika, PRA.
Okay.
Sai Kumar sir.
Sai Kumar.
Sir, Anjali.
Okay. That's it. Next, MySQL. At least basic queries.
Sir, I know about MySQL, sir.
Huh?
I know, sir. I know about queries and table creation.
Yeah, if you know the
Inserting data.
MySQL, it is fine. It is fine. So
Okay, sir.
I want to know who don't know about the MySQL. At least queries and procedures. Single small.
I don't
procedure.
know MySQL.
Tell me your name.
Hetal sir.
Tell. This one. Okay. Only one person.
Mahesh. Sir.
Why
Mahesh.
I'm asking is,
Yes.
see, after discussing all these concepts, so I think at this point, you people may suffer. So for you people, so I will take separate session to discuss CRUD operations. That's why I'm taking. So remaining people, all of you know that how to write the queries in MySQL and how to write the store procedures, small store procedures. Yes.
Sir, I know up to queries and tables. I know, but I don't know about store procedures and all these things. Anjali.
Anjali. Okay.
Yeah, this is Supriya. I know the basics, but I need to brush up that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, only 3 people.
Sir, I am also not know about store procedures, sir. Gopi Krishna.
Okay, Krishna.
Okay.
I know.
Mahesh. Sir.
Pravalika sir.
Rishikesh sir.
See, initially only one name was there, so
Rishikesh.
it's increasing, huh? Rishikesh, huh?
Rishikesh.
Okay. Next,
Lakshmi sir.
Lakshmi. Yeah. Next,
Haripriyanka sir.
next. That's it.
Sir, I am Rishikesh. I have knowledge in MongoDB, sir.
Okay, okay. If you know this MongoDB or MySQL, it is fine. Okay. So next thing, how many of you know that JavaScript? Sorry, not know that. How many of you people don't know about the JavaScript?
Me,
At
sir,
least
Gopal Krishna.
basic. See here,
About it.
see these concepts. Okay, so these concepts you don't know, at least basic knowledge about these concepts. You tell me.
Sir, we know these functions in TypeScript, sir, but in JavaScript maybe it was different. We don't know, sir.
No. JavaScript and TypeScript both are the same. Okay, small differences will be there.
Okay, sir.
So JavaScript or TypeScript. Okay, people don't know about this. Please tell me. Okay, all of you know about, right? Okay. Okay. So first of all, JavaScript, it is a lightweight object-oriented programming language that is used by several websites for scripting the web pages. Okay. JavaScript helps the users to build modern web applications to interact directly without reloading the page every time. Okay, so main uses of JavaScript is web development, mobile applications, games development, web applications. Okay, in these scenarios, JavaScript will be widely used. Okay, so now this is a small introduction about the JavaScript. Now we will discuss what are the prerequisites are required in your system for for Node.js. Okay, so first one is Visual Studio Code you need to install. After that, Node.js you need to install. Okay, so after that, you just go to the any folder. You just type cmd, okay, and then press code space dot. How to this? This will how to hide this? Okay. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss about what are the how to declare the variables in JavaScript. Okay, so we can declare the variables. So constant a equal to 10. Let b equal to 10. C equal to 10. So variables here, I am going to store 10 in A. Okay, so 10 in B, 10 in C. But I am declaring here three different types. So one is constant, let, var. So what is the difference between these three? Okay, so difference between let and var we will discuss in if else statements. Okay, so So console.log, it is used to display the result in console. Okay. So in some here, how to display the terminal means you can go for new terminal or else press Control plus backtick. Backtick means uh, the key above the tab, that will be called as backtick. Okay. So oh shit. So how to run this Node.js means here, sorry, I will delete this. So first go to this. This is a file. This is folder. Okay. So click on this file and give some name basic.js. Okay. So if you want to write the program in TypeScript means you go for .ts file. Okay. So constant a equal to 10, let a equal to 10, where a equal to 10. So sorry, not a, b, c. So if you want to display anything on console means you need to write console.log a. So how to execute this means node. If you press tab means, so what are the files available in this? So you can easily display, you can easily get it. So press enter. So it will display 10. Okay. So difference between constant and let means, suppose if you want to change the value of b like 20, then you can change it. Console.log b, you can change it. Okay. But you can't change the value of a. Why? Because you have declared a as a constant. Okay, it can't change, it cannot change. So that's why assignment type error, assignment to constant variable. Okay. So this is the main difference between constant and let. Let and where both are used for same purpose, but difference is it is let will be used in block level, variable is used in global level. Okay. These two, the difference between let and where we will discuss in control statements, if and else blocks. Okay. Then you can easily understand it. So this is about variables declaration. And next one is data types. So what are the data types available in this JavaScript? So string, number, boolean, undefined, null. Okay. So here string means, so let a equal to asset. Okay. So what is this data type? String means we will declare, we will give the value in quotations. Okay. So what is this data type? How can you know that? Here we are not mentioning any data type. We are not mentioning any data type. So how can you know that data type of this let variable? Sorry, a variable. So type of a, see, string. Okay. So let b equal to 10. Console.log type of b variable. So what is this type? Number. Okay. So implicitly, say data type will be assigned. Okay. So how can you know that the data type means type of that particular variable? Okay. So next, let c equal to false. See, Boolean. See, I didn't assign anything. So what is that data type? See this, undefined. See, here for null, it will consider as object. Okay. So if you want to display this null, okay, for null, so implicitly it has been assigned with object. Okay, so these are the data types. Next one is operators. So what are the operators we are having? Let res so 30 additional operator. This one is subtraction operator. So this one is multiplication. So just I'm giving these examples. Okay, all of you know that. So can you tell me the difference between division and modulus? So remainder will be captured by using modulus. So coefficient can be captured by using division. Okay. So increment. So increment means so this one is increment. Decrement. This one is decrement. So these are the arithmetic operators. So next one is assignment operators. So assignment operators means just assigning some value to the variable. Here I am going to assign a to the res. So it will display what is the value of a. So that will be displayed in console. Okay. So next one is a plus. So here a shit, every time it is see this what happens. So here a plus equal to b means so this is nothing but a equal to a plus b. Okay, so we can write like this. So a minus that means a plus b will be stored in a. So if you type like this, then a minus b. So like that you can do. So bitwise operators. So till now, anybody having doubts? So these are the simple operators, arithmetic, data types, variable declaration. I think all of you know that. So most of you people are having JavaScript and TypeScript knowledge. Anybody is having doubts? Okay. So bitwise operators. Hello.
Where it is this?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
I think it was disconnected. Okay, okay. Okay, shall I move to next topic?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So before going to discuss about bitwise operators, okay, so only left shift and right shift. So how many of you know that how to convert decimal to binary? (8421) code. Did you hear this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you tell me the value of 10?
10 years, sir.
Huh?
10 values, yeah.
1010.
Yeah, right. Okay. So can you tell me the value of 2? 0, 0,
Uh,
1.
1 0.
Okay. See this. So here I am taking A value is 10, B value is 2. Okay. So that means here 1010, but here see this left shift. That means 1010. So it will shift 2 bits towards the left side. Okay. That means from right side you need to append 2 zeros. Now can you tell me the value of this? So up to here 8421, and after this one is 16, this one is 32.
32.
32 plus 8, 40. Okay, so this is left shift. See, I am writing this 8 4 2 1 16 32. Okay, if you give 3, then see what will happen. 80. 80 means you need to append one more 0 here. Okay, so 32 into 2, 64. So you add this ones position numbers, 64 plus 16, so 80. So that is the result. Okay, so these are the multiple of 2's. So 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16. Like that, you need to add, append. Okay, suppose right shift. See this. So how do you get this to 10 means you need to append zeros. Sorry, 8421 1010. So from left side you need to append zeros, 2 zeros, 0 0. Next you write this one. Okay, so 1, next 0. So these 2 bits will be ignored. Now calculate this value 2. Did you understand? Now you can check 3 also. 3 means 3 bits will be shifted. So 3 bits will be shifted means, so for 1010 means this one will be shifted towards right. So final value is 1. Okay. So this is the bitwise operators. So anybody is having doubts? Bitwise operators? Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. No problem. Next one is logical operators. So I think all of you know that and logical and or operations, right? No. Okay. So see this 2. So how do you get 2 and operations? So for 1010, sorry, for 10, what is the binary number? 1010. Okay. For 2, for 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So can you tell me the result of this AND operation? AND operations means if both inputs are 1, then only output is 1, otherwise 0. Okay, here 1, 0. Output is 0. Here 0. Output is 0. Here 1, 1. Here 0. Okay. So if you take 15, 15 means all ones. So 8421 code. So 8 plus 4, 12. So you need to put 1, 1. 12 plus 2, 1. Again 1, 1. So all ones, that should be the 15. So can you tell me the logical AND operation result? Here 1, 1. So result is
1,
next
0,
0, 0, 1 means
0.
0. Next
One.
Next
1,
1, 0,
1.
sir. 0.
1 0.
Okay, 1, 0, 1, 0 means
10.
10. So you will get 10. 10. Okay. Next one is, next we will see OR operation. OR operation means 15. OR operation means logic is if any one of the input is 1, output is 1.
1.
1
Okay, so that's why we will get
1
1.
1.
Okay, next see this. Can you tell me about this logic? Anyone?
Yeah.
Why we are getting 5? AND is completed, OR is completed. Only one thing is pending. Logical operations. Exclusive OR operation. Okay. So logic is if you are having even number of ones, then it will be 0. Here, how many ones are there? Here 1 is there and 1 is there. Okay. So even number, 2 ones are there. So 0. Here only 1 is there, 0, 1. So 1. Here 2 ones are there, zeros. Okay. Here only 1 is there. Okay. So 0, 1, 0, 1 means 5. Next. Here, what is this logic? Double star.
It's not.
Square. Exponential. Okay. So 10 exponential of 2. Okay. So that is x double star. So these are the logical operators. Till now, we have discussed so how to declare the variables, data types, different types of operators. Okay. Now we will discuss about number methods. Let a equal to 5,478. Console.log a dot to fixed. One, two, three, 4, 5. See, observe this. You can easily know this logic. Here, two fixed method converts a number into a string and keeping a specified number of decimals. So here, if I don't specify any number in this two fixed method, then it will display 5. Okay. If I specified any number, I mean 1, then it will consider one number after the decimal, after this point. Okay. So here it will consider only 4, but it will display 5. Why? After 4, that number 7 that is greater than 5. That's why it will considered as 5. Okay. Is it understand? Here 1 means it will consider one digit after this point. Okay. So 1 digit means 4. After this 4, you are having 7, which is greater than 5. That's why it will consider, it will round 4 as 5. Okay. So if you take 2, then what is the result? 5.48. That means it has to take 2 digits after this point. But after 7, it is 8 is there, which is greater than 5. That's why 7 is rounded as 8. Okay. So next 3. 3 means so only 3 digits are there after this point, so that it will take 5.478. Okay. So 4 means after this point, it has to be number of digits will be 4. Why? Because you have given 4. That's why it will display 5.478 along with 0. Why? Because after point we are having only 3 digits, but you have mentioned 4. That's why it will 0 is appended. If you put 5 means 2 zeros will be appended. Why? Because in fractional part only 3 digits are there. Okay. So same example. See this 5. So see, A has already been declared. See this. So 2 fixed 5.578. In this, here after this point, you are having 5. That's why it is considered as 6. Okay. So next, if you put 1 means you will get 5.6. Why? Because here 7 is greater than 5. That's why it will considered as 6. So 2 means 5.58. So here after 7, 2 means it will consider 57, but after 7, you are having 8, which is greater than 5. So that's why 5, 8, it will come. Okay, so like that. Did you understand about this two fixed method?
Yes.
Anybody is having doubt? Okay. Next one is two precision. See this. Here, two fixed
పార్థ గారు క్విట్ అయినట్టు దాంతో
okay, progress and the start చేయొచ్చా? Start
ఇప్పుడు ఉంది మళ్ళీ వస్తుంది.
Actually, yes, I think I thought it will be there, but it didn't actually. Yeah. Okay, fine.
Okay. See, two fixed method will consider how many digits we have to get in fractional part, but two precision method will consider total number of digits. Here, if you give two precision means, so after point you are having 4, which is greater than 5. That's why you are getting 5. Okay, so here two precision. What is this? So in two precision, one means 5.5. Wait a minute. To specify minutes. 5.6. 5. 5.
So save the file.
Question, it has to display total, but it is not displaying.
So save the file.
No, auto save is there. Same result what I am getting here. It has to consider. To fix it. Four, 5. Yeah, it is getting now. Point 5. 1, 1. Okay, this one it is invalid. Console.log. So one is invalid. So we should not give one in precision. So see this. If you give nothing in this two precision method, then it will display whatever you have given. Okay. If you give 2, what will happen? Just observe this. 5.5. So it will consider total number of digits. Okay. Two fixed method will consider after point how many digits you want to have. But two precision method will consider total number of digits. Okay. So in 3 means 5.48. So 3 digits means 5.47, but you will get 5.48. So which is here 8 is there, no? So that's why it will round 7 as 8. Okay. So if you pass 4 means total number of digits 5.478. Okay, total number of digits 4. So that's why it will display whole number. Okay, if you pass 5 means it will happen 0. Okay, so the main difference between two fixed and precision is two fixed method will consider number of digits in fractional part, but two precision method will consider total number of digits along with fractional part. Okay. Next one is math functions. Let a equal to 5.678. So for math functions, you need to call math library dot. So what are the functions are there? .478 B 5.678. So I am taking one value which is less than 5. Okay, I am taking another value which is greater than 5 in fractional part. So math dot seal of A seal of B. So first of all, what is seal? It returns the value of x rounded up to its nearest integer. So see this 6. So what is the nearest integer of this one? Okay, 6. Okay, 6 is the nearest integer. That's why it is displaying 6. Next one is round. Round means if the fractional part is greater than or equal to 5, it will return the smallest integer that is still greater than the passed value. So 5.478, it will returns 5. Why? Because 5 is the nearest integer for this value. So for 5.678 means 6 is the nearest integer value. That's why it is returning 6. Next one is floor. So it will be confusing, but if you do the practice, then it will become easy. 5. It returns the value of the which is rounded down to the nearest integer. Okay. So 5 is the nearest integer. So that's why it is displaying. Wait a minute, I'm getting call. Okay, so it will not bother about this fractional part. Next one is let A equal to next one is sign. Let B equal to -10. So console.log sign, sorry, math dot sign of A B. So see this, what is the sign of that particular value? So for 10, it is positive. For -10, it is negative. So next, minimum. So minimum means, so I'm taking two variables, math dot minimum. So it will have any number of parameters B. So it will get 10. 10 is the minimum number. So it will return 10. So 20 is the maximum number. So that if you use max function, then it will get maximum number 20. Next one is power. So it is better to take this one. So 10 power 3000. Next one is absolute. Absolute, it returns the positive value of x. So absolute means see this. If you take negative value also, it return positive value, -10. Okay, if you take -10 also, if you use absolute function, it will return positive value. So next one is random. Random function. See this. Again, if you execute, that means it will return random number which lies between 0 and 1. Okay, so that is random function. Next one is string functions. So let A equal to set telematics console.log A so functions join so if you want to know the length of the string, then you need to use length function. So this is 16 is the length of this value. Okay, so next one is index of. So index, see here, the substring to search for the index. So index of means it provides the position of the character value present in the given string. That means if you want to know the position of E letter, then 3. So here the string starts from 0. For in 0 position, capital A is there, and first position yes, second position yes, third position E. That's why it is returning E. But here E is coming as 3 times. So in this position, and after T also we are having E, after L also we are having E. So it is coming as 3 times. Okay, so how do you know that? After 3, so in which position we are having E? So how do you know that? So if you write 3, not 3, 4. So it will calculate the E position from 4th position onwards. Okay, 7. So if you want to know the E position number after 7, then you need to put 8. So in 9th position, you are having E. Okay. So anybody is having doubts? Index of function. Okay. If you don't specify the second parameter, it will return first position of character E. If you mention the any value in a second parameter, then it will consider the searching from that position onwards. Okay, so that is the index of. Next, last index of. This is quite reverse. So here from last onwards, it will searching, it will start the searching. Okay, so here it will found this E position. So that is 8. Now after 9, if you want to know the next E position, then you need to put 8. So 7. After 7 means you need to put 6, 3. Like that, last index of. Next, search. Search means it searches the specified regular expression in a given string and returns its position if a match occurs. So you can specify any letter, for example, E. So it will return first position only. It will not return next position. Okay, that is search. Whether this element is exist or not. If it is exist, it will return value. Next one is substring. Substring, suppose if you give 4, then observe this, what will happen. From T onwards, you are getting. That means this one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. From 4th position onwards, you are getting. That means it returns the portion of the string that starts at index start and ends the character immediately preceding index ending. So I am not giving next parameter. Okay, I am giving only single parameter. That's why it will return from this 4th position to ending position. If I give next parameter, suppose 8 I am giving. See this, 8th. 8th means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space, 6, 7. Okay. So 8 minus 1, up to 8 minus 1 only it will take. So that's why you are getting T space capital T E. Okay. So another one is there, sub str. So both are same, small difference will be there. You observe this. See this. So here, if you use substring function, then it will start 4th position and ends 8 minus 1 position. Okay. If you use sub str function, so it will start 4th position. From 4th position, so how many characters are there? So here that depends upon the second parameter value. Okay, here second parameter value 8. So from T, this is first, second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So from fourth position, it will consider 8 characters. Okay. So this is the main difference between substring and sub-str. So do you have any doubts in these differences? Substring and sub-str. Okay. So substring, you can observe like this. So you are giving same values for both substring and sub-str, but you are getting different. Okay. T space capital TE. That means it will take the characters from 0th position to 8th position. But if you use sub-str, it will take the characters from 4th position to, so that depends upon the length of the parameter. Okay. Length of the second parameter. That is sub-str. Next, match. Match such as a specified regular expression in a given string and returns that expression of a match occurs. That means match asset. See this here. I am giving asset. So whether this word has been occurred or not, so it will return. If it is there, then it will display like this. Okay. So if it is not there, it will display null. Okay. So, but I am giving asset, but A is small letter. Here, A is capital letter. Even though I am giving small letter, it has to search. Then what to do? Simply remove these quotes and put / and G for global, I for ignore case. So asset is there. Okay. So next, replace. Replace, it has 2 parameters. One is search value, second one is replace value. So E, I am going to replace E with some 1. See this, in first E position only, it is replaced. Okay, in second E position, it didn't get replaced. Okay, for that, what to do? Again, / E G I. Okay, so G for global. Global means, so we are telling to consider whole string, or we are telling please consider in all E positions. Okay. So G for meaning is global. Okay. So if you give G means it will consider all E positions. Okay. So I means ignore case. Suppose if you don't give I, then if you put capital E, see this capital E is there. So it is not getting replaced. Okay. So if you give I means it will get replaced. Okay, that is the meaning of G and I. So if you don't mention G, then what will happen? only one position is replaced. So remaining same. If you put G means it will consider all E positions. So that is replace. Next one is two uppercase. Two uppercase. So all characters are to be converted into uppercase. Two lowercase, all characters are to be converted to lowercase. And concat. Concat means it will combine the two strings. For example, if you want here asset telematics is there. So if you want to write asset telematics private limited, then how to write concat of A, comma, see, sorry, yeah, no need to write here. So asset telematics private limited. Okay. So that is concat. Next one is trim. Trim means it removes unwanted spaces. See this. So I'm giving spaces. So, but it will not remove middle of the string. It will remove starting spaces and ending spaces only. So trim asset telematics. Okay. So next one is char at. Char at capital T. Char at means at fourth position. What is the value of the character? So S is there, fourth position. Char at specified index. Okay, it is there. So see this. At fourth position, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth position, T is there. Okay. So this is char at. Next one is char code at. Char code at 116. That means for small t, the ASCII value is 116. That's why it is displaying 116. Okay. So char code at, it will display ASCII value. Char at, it will display the character value that depends upon the position number. Okay. Next one is split. Split. See this. So it will convert it into array. Okay. So if you don't give this one, so it will convert it into simply array. If you give something, some quotations, then it will convert each position an element in an array. Okay. So here asset telematics. So each position, it will be converted into element in array. That is split function. And joins, after that split function joins is there. So joins, it will combine. See, asset telematics is there. So you can use any, suppose I want to have comma after each character. Okay. So just put comma. You can observe this, come. So I want to have pipe symbol after each and every character. You can have. Okay. So it will combine the strings by using any symbols or characters also. You can put anything. So that is string functions. These are the string functions. So next one is date functions. Let a equal to, so what are the dates of there? So new date console.log a. See, this is the current data, means UTC date. Okay. So if you want to get the year, get year. The year 2021. $121. So 121 means, so if you give get full year, so you will get 2021. So if you give get year, you will get 121. So that means that year count starts from 1900. Okay. So 1900 to 2021, that is 121. Okay. So next one is get month. 8th month, but this is 9th month. Why? Because here it is displaying 8 means month starts from 0 to 11, not 1 to 12. Okay. So get month. Next one is get date. 13th, today date. Get day. First. So today is Monday. So starts from 0, Sunday to Sunday 0, Monday 1. Next, hours. 21 hours. Minutes. 53 minutes. Seconds. 34 seconds. Milliseconds. 562. Get time. This one. This is the time for milliseconds. So this is this millisecond epoch time. We consider epoch time. So this is number of milliseconds since 1st January of 1970. So what is the epoch time from 1st January of 1970? So that will millisecond, that the number you will get. Okay. So next, time zone offset minus 30. So what is the time difference between UTC time and local time? So that is 330. That is about date functions. Okay. So till now we have discussed variable declaration, data types, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, number methods, string functions, math methods, math functions, and date functions. So in Node API, you will get you are having a movement function. So if you import that movement library, then you can have different number of date functions, date and time functions. So whatever the requirement you can do by using that movement npm. Okay. So that's it. Anybody is having doubts? Hello. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having
Yes,
doubts?
sir.
Sir, Yes, sir.
So can you pin the topics you have covered?
No? You want to have topic names?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, I will send. I will send this Excel sheet, and then what are the topics I have covered on a particular day. I will send the topics list on every day. Okay. So any doubts? Are you able to understand each and every topic? So today, whatever I have discussed on today, that is nothing. Why? Because all of you know these topics. Just and uh, revising the concepts. Is it yes or no? All of you know that whatever I have discussed so far.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody is feeling getting bored, but be patient. After some topics, you will get more interested. Okay. So I think date functions also. Most of the people are having Angular knowledge, Angular background, so that all of you know that how to write the function, uh, array methods, control statements, passing array to functions, multidimensional array, objects, JSON array. I think all of you know that. Exception handling, function overloading. So for Angular guys, I think from classes in her not classes also. From this point onwards, you don't know about this. From this point onwards, you don't know about anything. Up to this, all of you know, but be patient and listen. This is for consider this class. This session is for revising. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Shall we close this session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tomorrow,
Okay,
if it is possible, we will connect before 8. Otherwise, we will connect 8 o'clock only. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.